Hey guys, it's Sunshine in the kitchen. I am fixing up some beef tips. So, I've already got this cut up. I'm going to put it in here. This is just sirloin steak. It calls for beef stew, but I use sirloin steak instead because I like it more like tips. I'm just going to show you how I cut this up. You just cut it in chunks like this. Y'all hear baby puppies whining. You're going to hear the babies over here fussing. The puppies are in there in the kitchen, and in there in the living room. The fellas just went outside, so they got them disturbed. But you just chop it up into, about that size chunks, maybe a little smaller. They're in their kennel, and they're ready to get out. And Momo and Robert in their high chairs. And Mamie's calling me. Let me decline her. She don't know I'm on. Couldn't send out a text, guys, because Mamie done left her phone at the office. So, this is what you do. I just want to say something to show y'all what to do. Yeah, I'm live. What?
Like copper wires and splitting it and getting the copper.
Yeah.
They're $4 a pound.
Oh.
You got about 50 pounds.
You can get it out of the refrigerator over there. Okay, guys, so that's what you do. I'm going to put this up here. Stand right here and talk to me in just a minute. Wash my hands.
What are you cooking?
Beef tips. Alright guys, so now we've got our beef tips. I'm going to add, that's just the cutting it off of them.
What do you want to do?
I'm just going to add a little bit of kosher salt in there, just a little.
Do I need to bring the ice chest inside?
Yeah, just bring it inside. Alright guys, then you use a packet of brown gravy. Miss Ma'am. Will you come give her chocolate milk cup? Miss Ma'am. And then you use 1 packet of beefy onion soup.
She ain't got none. Oh, you got some here. She don't want it. She got chocolate milk.
I know she got chocolate milk everywhere.
Let me go get
Okay.
this ice chest and I'll bring it back in off the phone.
Alright. And then 1 can of cream and mushroom.
Oh,
I'm also not able to be on the phone that turns around because that's the one that's at the office. Alright guys, so we're going to dump this out here. And y'all, I don't just have a crazy box sitting on my cabinet. This is still potatoes from the wedding that we still been eating. Okay, I'm going to add me a cup of water to this. A can of water to this. And I'm going to pour this in. Right here, y'all, this is it says it's no peak beef tips. It's not. It's no peak beef stew. I make no peak beef tips. I'll get it right in a minute. You just mix it all up. I've got my oven set on 300, and you cook it at 300 for 3 hours. And it is no peak. So you get it all mixed up like this, and then you put your we're gonna put tinfoil on it. And it's no peak. You just put your tinfoil on it and you just let it cook, and then serve it with some noodles or some mashed potatoes or rice or whatever your heart desires, whichever. I think I would like some noodles. Hey. I think I would like some noodles, and I don't have any.
Dad said he's gonna cook them.
I know it's gonna cook them. That's fine. There's Nanny. Oh, hey guys, I brought Sunny some of my things.
What is that? Tuna,
Salmon patties. Alright guys,
So we don't have
we
to
got a
have
smorgasbord. We're gonna have beef tips. Mama's got salmon patties, and Blue just brought in a cooler of bring 'em from Papa Dad. Mama's fixing to eat salmon patties right now, though. Yeah.
Good, son.
Don't it look, girl? It smells delicious. Smell it.
Mmm.
Alright, guys. That smells good, guys. I'm fixing to put this on. I don't know how they can see them. Let me get it over here. Don't you mess up my beef tips. No nasty fish. Okay, here, let me set them over here. The kids might eat some of that. The kids? You mean these screaming things I've got over here? Alright, guys. I'm fixing to stick this right on here in this oven. Okay. I'm going to run to eat. Bye, guys. I'm going to eat. Oh, you just getting done? I thought you were done eating. Let's bring that to me. No, I was talking.
You don't come and eat some fish?
Alright, guys. Now, Blue's going to show you the fish. Can you see them? They're already cut up. They're ready.
Be cooked
Ready to be cooked.
and ate.
So,
I gotta take this back.
we're going to have us some fish. That's fine. Miss Jennifer, that is brim. Miss Benny, I sure will send out the recipe. Y'all, I'm going to get these babies' diaper changed. I'm going to stick them in the stroller, and we're going to walk outside, and I'm going to try to go live and show y'all. I want to try to find the biddies. The biddies were out earlier. I'm going to try to find them, and I'm going to show y'all the horses and stuff. So, I'll be back on. I'm excited for these beef tips, guys, because y'all know I'm not as seasoned to cook as Mammy, and I don't know how to cook them. So if this works, yay! It's alright, guys. Hubby washed the dishes. Pete, the clean dishes. Jeff actually washed dishes. I'm shocked. Alright, guys. What kind of beef did I use? I used sirloin steak. Miss Rosie, Mama's house is about 50 foot. 10 yards.
15 yards.
15 yards. I don't know. Right over there. It ain't far. Alright, guys. So, I'm going to clean up my mess here. Get these babies, like I said, changed. And, put them outside in the stroller. And we're going to go see what we can find. And we will come back live. I want to show y'all where mine and Mammy's garden is supposed to be. If we ever hurry our butts up and get it going. We're a little late. But anyhow, we'll be back on in a little bit. I'm going to try to get these snotty heads calmed down. Mo has decided that screaming is her way of communicating. Woo! She does that quite often. Of course, she's mad right now, but she normally does it even when she's not mad. So, let me get her out. We will get you back. You stew meat from truck roast. Yes, you can do that too. I just, like I said, I'll be honest, y'all. We looked for stew meat in the, look at this chocolate milk mess. Chocolate milk mess. We looked for beef stew meat at Winn-Dixie, and we could not find any. And Mom already had that taken out, so I said, well, I'll just use it. And we'll just let it go. And we'll just be done with it. So, alright, guys, I'm going to try to end this. I love y'all. I normally do blow a kiss. I can't blow a kiss. Love ya. Bye.